How much conversion should we set up for normal businesses or service? If someone has not imported code on landing page, can we use only import analytics goal conversion? Okay, so you need to set up your conversion tracking on your landing page. Well, not the conversion tracking, but on all your pages, but the conversion tag should be on the on the thank you page when somebody fills in a form or has made a purchase. That's where it needs to be. So without that, you are flying blind. You are literally flying blind or driving a car with a blindfold over your eyes. You Google can't see it, what you are looking for, and neither will you. You can import your goals or your conversions from analytics as well. I would highly recommend you set up your Google Ads conversion tracking in Google Ads because that's what Google Ads is looking for almost all the time.